Okay, guys, welcome back to the channel, man. Appreciate y'all guys dialing in. Just got through putting some lights, on this bike. This is my mother-in-law bike, believe it or not, and it's a Yamaha Royal Star. Okay, I had some videos previously on the same vehicle. I put that headlight in right there. I ran these LEDs on it, tucked away. That is for a switch I gotta hook up these right here, and that's the ground to them for these lights here. So we gotta tie that together. But that's not what this video is. This video is about the LED lights, the underboard lights. Make sure you stay away from your exhaust pretty well where you ain't gonna burn it up. It'll hold a little heat. Down in here, y'all guys tell me what you think. I went down on the bottom. Also got it up under the underglow there. That's up under the bottom of the frame. This right here, that's where I like to put these lights. As I run that bad boy down the rail of the bag holder. Okay, this thing has Harley bags on it. Also got something similar to a Harley bracket where the bag sits down in, and I like to run it on that bracket. So you can still take the bags off without having to unplug the lights and all. Alright, now all I gotta do is just tie scrap this off right here. Right there, which I will. I'll just pick that up. I put the wires neatly up behind the battery. On the other side of the battery, this is where your fuse is right here. I'll tuck that right there. The controller is down on the front side right here. So when the seat is over it, it covers everything. You won't see it. Okay. I also got some up in here. That'll give her some lighting at night. Since she has that type of radio. So when someone sees you at night, she got the light stationary, not flashing. That'll help light the bike up as well. All right. Check out them pipes on that thing, man. Them some monsters, ain't they? Oh, wow. Man, them things is huge. That color is called bone white. Yeah, like your bone in your body. White is what they call it, okay? That's a 23-inch spoke. Like I said, I have done introduced this bike several times on the channel. But I just wanted to show you guys the LED lighting in it. She brought a kid over and asked me to do it. I didn't want to do it, but I went on and done it because, see, I don't even run them on my road glide here. That's a 21-inch Enforcer front wheel. Extremely gorgeous. Flat black, vivid black, vivid, flat. Stretch bags, of course, back there in the